Hook, have you ever wondered how much cash you can pull out of your Monzo account in a single day without raising eyebrows? It's a question that's popped up in many of your minds, and today, we're going to answer it once and for all. Context: Monzo, the UK-based digital bank known for its sleek app and fee-free international spending, has become a popular choice for many. But when it comes to cash withdrawals, things can get a little more complicated. While Monzo doesn't impose a strict daily withdrawal limit, there are a few factors that can influence how much you can take out. Factor 1. Your Monzo account type. Let's start with the basics. Your Monzo account type plays a significant role in determining your daily withdrawal limit. Monzo Current Account. This is the most common account type and offers a generous daily withdrawal limit, typically around £1,000. However, this limit can vary depending on your individual circumstances, such as your account history and recent transactions. Monzo Joint Account. If you're sharing a Monzo account with someone else, the daily withdrawal limit is usually higher, allowing you and your partner to withdraw more cash collectively. Monzo Business Account. Businesses often have higher withdrawal limits to accommodate their operational needs. However, these limits can vary depending on the size and nature of the business. Factor 2. Your recent transaction history. Monzo monitors your recent transaction history to assess your withdrawal activity. If you've been withdrawing large sums of money frequently, the bank may temporarily reduce your daily limit to prevent fraudulent activity or money laundering. Factor 3. ATM network restrictions. While Monzo doesn't impose a strict daily withdrawal limit, the ATM network you're using can have its own restrictions. Some ATMs may have daily withdrawal limits, especially if you're using a foreign ATM. Factor 4. Your Monzo account balance. Of course, you can't withdraw more money than you have in your account. If your balance is low, your daily withdrawal limit will be correspondingly lower. Real-world examples. To give you a better idea of what to expect, let's consider some real-world examples. Example 1. John, a Monzo current account holder, typically withdraws £500 per day. However, during a recent vacation, he needed to withdraw £1,000 to cover unexpected expenses. Monzo approved his request without any issues. Example 2. Sarah, a Monzo joint account holder with her partner, has a daily withdrawal limit of £2,000. This allows her and her partner to withdraw up to £2,000 each day, totaling £4,000. Example 3. A small business using a Monzo business account has a daily withdrawal limit of £5,000. This allows them to withdraw larger sums of money to cover their operational costs. Tips for maximizing your daily withdrawal limit. If you need to withdraw a larger amount of money, here are a few tips to help you maximize your daily limit. Plan ahead. If you know you'll need to withdraw a significant amount of money, plan ahead and spread out your withdrawals over several days. Contact Monzo customer support. If you have concerns about your daily withdrawal limit, don't hesitate to contact Monzo's customer support team. They can provide you with specific information about your account and help you resolve any issues. Consider using a debit card. If you need to withdraw a large amount of money, using your Monzo debit card at a bank branch or ATM may allow you to withdraw more than your daily limit. Conclusion: while Monzo doesn't have a fixed daily withdrawal limit, there are several factors that can influence how much you can take out. By understanding these factors and planning ahead, you can ensure that you have access to the cash you need when you need it. Call to action: if you have any questions about Monzo's withdrawal limits or want to learn more about the bank's other features, feel free to leave a comment below. Closing: with that said, thanks for watching and until next time.